Okay, so at this point, you should have a copy of these slides, and if you've not shared them with your teacher yet, go ahead and do that. Pause this video and then play it again once you're ready. So what we're gonna do is convert the equation into slope-intercept form first, which is y equals mx plus b, and then you find the graph that matches the equation you just found. So get your notes out. Let's do this one together. Okay, so we have two options here. The first one is taking this and converting it, which is something we already know how to do. So when we're doing this, converting to slope-intercept form, we need to get y by itself because we want y equals mx plus b. All right, so I just added our steps for converting to slope-intercept form. We're going to move x to the other side and then get y by itself. So if I'm moving x to the other side, I have a positive 3x, which means I need to subtract 3x from both sides. And remember, when we subtract, when we have 12 minus 3x, these are not like terms, so they have to stay separate. So what we're going to have is negative 2y equals 12 minus 3x. We can't combine the 12 and the minus 3x because 1 is a constant and 1 has a variable with it. So now my next step is to get y by itself, and I know I'm going to do that by dividing by negative 2 because that's the number that's in front of y. So I'm dividing everything by negative 2, each term by negative 2. So then I'm left with just a y on the left side equals 12 divided by negative 2 is negative 6. And then we have negative 3x divided by negative 2. So I know a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and then we're just going to keep it as 3 over 2x. Oops. So that's our final answer. Pause this video, make sure that you have this in your notes. Also include these steps over here in your notes. So another thing that we could do to double check this is put this original equation into Desmos. So pause this video, pull up Desmos graphing calculator, and then we're going to type this in together. So when we do this, we could find our equation from the graph as well. So I have negative 6 plus 3 over 2x. We're a little more familiar seeing this written as y equals 3 over 2x minus 6. Either way works. So if I go to Desmos, I can see that my y-intercept is negative 6, which is perfect. That matches with my equation. And then if I'm looking for my rise over run or my slope, I see that I go up 1, 2, 3, and I'm going over 1, 2. So two ways that you could find what the equation is in slope-intercept form. Now we need to go back to our slides here and find the graph that matches this. So I'm looking for a negative 6, which this kind of looks like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so my y-intercept is good. And I need to make sure that the slope matches 2. So I'm looking for 3 over 2. Well, it looks like I'm going up 1, 2, 3, and I'm going over 1, 2. So this is perfect. It's already here for us. If it wasn't here, what you would do is just drag it to be right underneath it. So you could drag it to be right underneath it here, whatever it would be. So you're going to finish this. You're submitting these slides and you're also submitting your work to Echo.